Hello, my Chuckle Champions! Welcome to my YouTube channel, your VIP pass to the most outrageous construction moments ever caught on camera. We've scoured the internet to find clips so wild, you'll think they're from a prankster's playbook. From scaffolding stumbles to cement mixers doing the cha-cha, we've got the goods. Check in daily for new videos, smash that subscribe button, and share your funniest worksite stories below. Let's get laughing!
Yo, you Chuckle Champs! How wild were those construction moments? Did my crew of worksite clowns have you howling so loud you woke up the neighbors? Hang tight, the next clips are going to be funnier than a cement mixer moonlighting as a comedian. Expect workers tripping over their own blueprints and tools staging their own prank show. Ditch us now, and you'll regret it like missing the punchline to the universe's best joke. Smash subscribe, share your wildest reactions, and let's build a laughter empire.
And that's the end. Hope you laughed so hard you startled your plants. Thanks for sticking around. 7 p.m. daily.